Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Today I will be doing the second part of the 3 randomized challenge. And today I will be doing the guy, so the father of the child. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. So 1, 2, 3. His name will be Jaden. 1, 2, 3. His last name will be Horner. We can't randomize that, so I'll just get right into his facial features then. So let's just get rid of all of this stuff, if he's got anything. Okay, start off with face. 1, 2, 3. It didn't load. Oh, yep, yes it did. Okay, that looks a bit odd. Well, 1, 2, 3. Okay, didn't see much of a difference in that. Oh god. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank god. Now for cheeks. 1, 2, 3. Okay, jawline. 1, 2, 3. Okay, chin. 1, 2, 3. Okay, lips. 1, 2, 3. Oh god. Now for nose. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now for eyes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, went back to the other eye color. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now for hair. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I actually might do facial features on this guy, so yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh god. I mean, it suits him though, so whatever. Now for his body shape, I think it is. Yeah, not styled outfits, body. I forgot to do this with the girl, so yeah, let's do it with the boy. 1, 2, 3. Oh god. Well, okay. Now for a shirt. 1, 2, 3. Oh god. 1, 2, 3. Okay, at least it suits him. Now for shoes. 1, 2, 3. Well, I mean, it suits. Whatever. Okay, now for formal wear. I might do a full body outfit. 1, 2, 3. Oh god. Well, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that did absolutely nothing. Okay, now for athletic wear. Let's do it. Let's do his shoes first. So wait for it to load because it's lagging. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's not bad. I mean, since it's already got full body. Now I'm going to do a 2-piece. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's not bad. 1, 2, 3. Okay, at least it works. Now for his sleepwear. Yeah, let's do it in a full body wear. 1, 2, 3. Oh god, he really likes the alien outfit. Since there's no point in putting shoes on, I'm not going to, because they don't show up anyway. Let's do party wear now. I might do a full body outfit for this. 1, 2, 3. At least it suits him. Shoes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that works. Now for swimwear. 1, 2, 3. And for bottoms. 1, 2, 3. Oh god. Okay. Now for his hot weather outfit. Well, I don't actually have seasons, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. So yeah. Now for the pants. 1, 2, 3. It's basically the same, I guess. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that works.
Careful, it's actually hot on the bottom.
Ow. Okay, wait, no.
No, I didn't warn you.
Yeah, no. Okay. Yeah, that was just dinner. My brother made it for me. Okay, now for the shoes. I don't know. I can't remember if I was doing this. If I did it already, so 1, 2, 3. Yep. And for cold weather, he will have a full body outfit, cause yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that works. Yep, those are the shoes that it had. And yeah, so this is Jaden Horner. Oh my god, it's got a cat on it. Never realized that. But yeah, this is Jaden Horner, the father of the baby for the next challenge. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you did enjoy. And I'll see you in the next video where I will make the child, where I will do the genetics for the child. Okay, see you guys.